Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the exact input cells you'll vary. This is crucial because Scenario Manager references cell addresses, not values. Once selected, open Data Right Arrow What If Analysis Right Arrow Scenario Manager and click Add to create your first scenario. Name it descriptively, assign the changing cells, and enter their values. Do this now so your scenarios remain reproducible. Make sure to include a baseline scenario first. It gives you a reference point when comparing outcomes later. Next, create each alternative by clicking Add repeatedly and providing different value combinations for the same changing cells. Descriptive names save time. Meanwhile, ensure your outcome cells use formulas that depend on those input cells so results update automatically. Once you've added all scenarios, run Scenario Summary to produce a new sheet that compares input values and resulting outputs. This report makes trade-offs visible. Use it to spot unexpected behavior before finalizing decisions. Finally, validate by selecting a scenario in Scenario Manager and clicking Show to apply it. Then inspect dependent formulas and outputs for consistency. If inputs or model logic change, use Edit to update scenarios or delete obsolete ones to avoid confusion. If results seem incorrect, check that formulas reference the intended cells, calculation is set to automatic, and no hard-coded values override inputs. One troubleshooting tip: use trace precedents to quickly find broken links between inputs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.